This quick tutorial will show you exactly on how to resend a survey in Surveymonkey. Whether you're managing feedback for your organization or just trying to gather opinions from friends, knowing how to resend a survey can be incredibly useful, especially if some of your recipients missed the first email or if you'd like to reach out to a new group. Let's dive into the steps so you can efficiently redistribute your surveys. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to surveymonkey.com. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's designed to give you a quick overview of all your recent activities and surveys. Now, from the main dashboard, look for an option labeled All Surveys. This is your gateway to accessing every survey you've created or have access to within your account. Give that a click and you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of your surveys. With the list of surveys in front of you, the next step is to find the specific survey you'd like to resend. Once you've located it, hover over the entry and you'll notice several action options appear. Click on the Send Survey button. This is the key to redistributing your survey. A new window or screen should open up presenting you with various distribution methods. At this point, you have a couple of options for how you'd like to resend your survey. The most straightforward method is to copy the survey link. This is a versatile option since you can manually paste this link into emails, social media posts, or any other communication platform you're using. To copy the link, simply click the designated button and it will automatically be copied to your clipboard. Remember, this link can be shared with anyone you want to complete the survey, so it's a good idea to double check that you're sharing it with the right audience. If you're looking for alternative distribution methods, SurveyMonkey makes it easy with their More Ways to Send option. Click on this, and you'll be introduced to several other ways to send out your survey. This includes options like sending via email, embedding it on a website, or even sharing it directly through social media platforms. Each method comes with its own set of instructions, so choose the one that best fits your needs and follow the prompts provided. And there you have it. Resending a survey in SurveyMonkey is a simple process, yet it's packed with flexible options to suit your unique distribution needs. Whether you're copying a direct link or utilizing one of the many sharing options, SurveyMonkey provides you with the tools to effectively reach your audience. I hope you found this guide helpful and now you're all set to resend your surveys with confidence. Happy surveying!